70s. But
I learned how to fix something that's obsolete.
well, the other one's the same way.
Yeah, except for it doesn't have a hole for the spring.
Well, what puts it in there?
How if I know? I don't know. It's got like a little nipple where the hole should be. I don't know. Maybe
No
it
hole in?
just
Just put it in.
maybe it's rusted in there. That's the old spring that I'm seeing. Piece of the old spring. This one's totally different.
Huh?
This one's totally different. Look at it. Where the hole's supposed to be, there's nothing unless it's just stuck in there. See how it's
there it is,
sticking
right
out?
there. It broke.
So you got to drill it out.
No, pounded out, I would imagine.
Yeah, but where's the other side? See.
Well, it probably just on one side. No, it broke off. That's how where it broke.
Oh, okay.
Have to drill it out. I think we even have one of these arms too. If we had to change it.
Oh, that would be cool.
And to find it, you have to change it underneath.
Yeah. Oh, because these are riveted on.
No, you change it unbelievable.
Right.
It down
Down
there.
below.
Now that's what happened. It broke right there. The bottom part of that broke.
Okay. So maybe I can grab it with a pair of ice grips and pull it out. Maybe.
Actually, what you could do is heat it up and then
If I could get a good bite on it.
reverse drill in there. Well, it just sticks in it. It should pound through. 'Cause there's nothing holding it.
Oh yeah, there's a hole on the other side. I can feel it.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
just-
where it broke.
I'll just pound it through. Good idea.
I'm gonna go home.
All right.